Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach from Rockland, and I am very excited to be with you again. Today is our last lesson on place value, where we are exploring tens and ones, and this means that next week we will get into addition, which is very exciting. Okay, so what you can see here is something that we did a couple weeks ago with our counting our butterflies. We had 35 butterflies, and if you look up here, you'll remember that we were starting to notice a pattern. Do you remember what that pattern was? So what we were starting to see is that in a two-digit number like 16, in the digit to the left, the first digit, this is called the tens place. That tells you how many tens there are in that number. How many, in this case, how many 10 frames can be filled up completely. So in the number 16, you could fill up one 10 frame with 6 ones left over. If you look at the number 35, you could have 3 tens or 3 full 10 frames filled up with butterflies with 5 left over. So we saw the pattern here, right? 3 tens and 5 ones gives you the number 35. The number 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. So what I want to do today is see if this works with the base 10 blocks that we've been using. So if you look here, we have the number 24. So I'm going to write down the number over here, 24, and I'm color coding it because I'm making the green the tens and the 4 the ones. So let's see how this plays out. So we have 24. How about today we do starbursts? Okay, I love starbursts, and they kind of look like starbursts. So we have 24 yellow starbursts. How many of these, if we have a bag, right, a candy package, and you can put 10 starbursts in a package, how many packages could we fill up, do you think? Think about that for a second. Okay, let's find out. So let's circle 10 of them and put them into a green package. Okay, and let's see. Oops, let's change that color to green. I'm going to swap that out for the yellow. Okay, so that made, so there's 10. There's 10 in that bag. Do we have 10 more that we could add to another bag? Let's see, let's circle, this is 10 right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's a 10. Great. Do we have enough starbursts left to make another bag of 10? We don't, do we? Nope, we have 4 left. So over here, let's write down that we have two tens. So right here we have 2 tens, or 20 starbursts. We have 10 in this bag, and we have 10 in this bag or package, whatever you want to call it. And then over here, we have 4 right over that green there. We have 4 left over, so we have 4 ones. So 20 plus 4 gives us 24. So let's see, we've got 4 ones. Sorry, let's do that over again. I have 4 ones. Okay, so let's see, so far is our pattern working? We have our 2-digit number is 24. We have 2 tens. Yep, there's our 2 right there. And we have 4 ones. And there's our 4 right there. So far that rule is working. Awesome. So let's try another one and see if it works again. So let's erase this with my handy dandy eraser. Okay, and we will get rid of that. And we'll erase these by clicking on them. I'm going to eat the Starburst. Oh, that's yummy. Okay. All right, so how about we do the number 47. So let's write down our 4 here. We've got 40. Oops. Keep doing that. 40. So, boys and girls, I've been learning a lot since I've been home during this quarantine about how to use technology to do learning. So we're all learning right now, right? So the number 47. So if we have 47 Starbursts, how many packages of 10 do you think we could make? Well, let's find out. Here's one package of 10. So we have 10 so far. So we'll record that. We have 10 Starbursts. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay. So let's keep going. We can add another 10. Okay. So that makes 20. We could make another 10. How much does that make? That's right, 30. We can make another 10. We're not at 40 yet. Yep, and then we can make another 10. Now we've got 40. Now, if I add another 10, that's 50. Do we have 50 Starbursts? No, we only have 47. So let's delete that. But we still have 7 ones. Okay, so let's get our 7 ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 more here. So if you said that you could fill 4 bags with 10 Starbursts in it, you are correct. So let's look over here. Our number is 40. Let's see, let's make that a 4. 47. Let's write our 7 here. And we have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. So let's write that down on our handy dandy chart. We have 4 10s. And how many ones were left over? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Starbursts left over. 7 ones. So let's write that down. We have 7 ones. So let's see. The number is 47. Is there a 4 in the tens place? Yep, there's 4 10s. And there are 7 ones. So there it is. Right? So the pattern works. Let's do one more, and then we will be done for today. So let's get my eraser out. Let's erase this. Let's get rid of these. Oh, actually, no, let's try this. I bet you if I circle all of these, I can put them in one big thing, and I can just eat them all at once. Ready? Oh yeah, I love those Starbursts. Okay, this time should we do a really big number? Let's do like a super big number. Let's do, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's do, okay, should we do 90, oops, 90, let's do 93. Like a really big number, 93. You wanted me to do 99, didn't you? I know. All right, so we got 93. So if we have 93 Skittles, how many 10s do we need? How many 10s? In other words, how many packages of 10 can we fill up with Starbursts? Just 10, right? Not 5, not 11, just 10. How many do you think? Think about it. Let's find out. We could do 10, 20, you can count with me, 30, 40. Did you know that math could be so much fun? It's amazing. 50, 60. Are we there yet? Nope. 70. Nope, not there yet. 80. Oh, wait, 80. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yes, we're at 80. All right, so we can do one more 10, I think. 90. Okay, so we've got 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s. That gives us 90. Oops. Gives us 90 Starbursts. Okay, so that's our 9, right? Our 9 shows us that we have 90 Starbursts. Who knew that a 9 could actually mean 90? But when you put a 9 in the tens place, it means you have 9 tens, which gives you 90. So our number so far is 93. And we've already shown that we have 9 tens. Okay? And we also have 3 ones. We still have 3 left over. So let's put 1, 2, 3. So there's our 3. There's our 3 leftover starbursts. Right here. Okay, so we have 3 here. And 90 plus these 3 gives us 93. So there's a 3 in the ones place, and here's our 3. So it's true, boys and girls, this rule works no matter what. The first digit here in the tens place tells us how many tens we can fill up, how many bags of 10, or how many 10 frames we can fill up. The other digit here on the right is the ones place, and it tells us how many are left over. So boys and girls, that's our lesson for today. I hope that helps you with your work today. You can always go back to any of the videos that I've shown you and watch them again. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. Remember, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, be safe, and be kind. And have fun with your math. All right, can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.